How to cancel Amazon Prime Video subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. In this tech guide video, I'm exactly going to show you the process of canceling your subscription of Prime Video. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. To cancel the subscription, you'll need to open up the web browser and search for primevideo.com, which is the website. We're doing this process through the website because you wouldn't see an option within the mobile app. Search for primevideo.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon on the top right. A drop-down menu will open up. Click on Account and Settings. On the Accounts and Settings page, make sure you're under your account, and under Prime Video, you will see End Membership. Click on this option and it's going to show you the exact date your membership is going to end. So even if you cancel it straight away, you'll still be able to watch Prime Video until this date. So to cancel it, you just click on End, which is this button right here, and your membership of Prime Video will end. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.